Did you have fun pooping in the snow, boo-boo? No, you didn't, huh? Let's go. Let's go see how much snow we got today when you were out there, huh? Well, I shoveled a little bit at the back here today because my dog got stuck in the snow. So I shoveled that much snow. Let's see how much snow we got. I shoveled that pile over there with my shovel. As you can see, this is how it looks right now. It just started snowing all of a sudden. Yup. That's how much I shoveled that big chunk right there out of the porch. So my dog could poop. Alright, so let's go to the front. Come on, boo-boo, let's go. Come on. Let's go show them how much we have. All the snow we have in the front, okay? Come on. Come on, let's go see. See how much snow we got, huh, boo-boo? We have too much snow. You don't want to shit outside, huh? You just want to shit inside the house, huh? And pee, huh? Right? Right? This is how much snow we have, y'all. This is Minnesota. So, I don't want to shovel out there right now. I'll save the shoveling for Jack and Danny so they can park. But there's a lot of accidents out there already. Because it's going to keep on snowing until the next day. And if it's too much snow, I'm not going to work. Because I live too far away. Right, boo-boo? Yep. Let's go to the front and let's just go see.